Hello, welcome to dronetest.co.uk. Once you've got delivery of your operator's ID labels like this, the best way to apply them I find is just peel back a little bit of the backing and just fold it back on itself. Rather than take the whole backing off in one go, just leave a little bit folded back. Then you can position it on the quadcopter then when you're happy with the positioning, you can just put down the bit that you've already revealed, take away the rest of it. There we are, your label's applied. I've tried all different formats and I find the ones with the white background, black text, they work on most coloured quadcopters. If you start trying to have clear backgrounds, for example, then on some colours like the Mavic Pro, the grey or the black, you then need to have white text, and it gets quite fiddling. But I find these are the ones fit everything. And in the packs that we do, you can either have all operator numbers, which is the ones that you need to put on your models, or I can supply one or two fly numbers as well, which if you put those on your transmitter, you've always got it with you when you're flying. It saves having to carry your certificate with you all the time. Anyway, thanks for watching, and if you want to order any labels for your model aircraft or helicopters or drones, then please go to dronetest.co.uk and click on the link that says CAA ID stickers, and then you'll find a PayPal button there where if you put your operator number in, or your operator number and your fly number, I will make up the labels for you and post them to you anywhere in the UK, including postage. Thanks very much. Bye for now.